Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2026 CF Moto Highland XL. I had a request from a customer that wanted to see the WD electronic street legal kit activated with the headlights on. So here we go. The headlights are on. As you guys know, we do have the WD kits available for the new CF Moto Highland. How does it look? How does it work? How does it function? Just like a car. Down will be left. You do have indicator lights up on the dash letting you know the turn signals are on. Is the little light bright enough? Absolutely. Does a great job. As you can see, you have good view from the front as well as view from the side. Looking good. And on the back side, even with the lighting on, it is still very noticeable that you're trying to turn left or turning right. The license plate mount is very nice looking and has built-in LED strip up top to illuminate the plate at night. Go up to turn it right. And just so you know, horn button is integrated there into the dash. That is something that we have to add. Now, you'll notice that the WD kit does replace the stock column that comes on here with the wiper and washer fluid. That has been relocated up here with the WD kit. It's going to provide everything that you need to make that functionality happen. And you can see there with the headlights on, this is high beam. You can still see the street legal kit in action. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Gotta love it. Have a good day, everybody.